Codependents may think and feel responsible for other people, for other people's feelings, people's thoughts, actions, choices, wants, needs, and well-being, lack of well-being, and ultimately destiny. Feel anxious, pity, and guilt when other people have a problem. Feel compelled, almost forced, to help that person solve the problem, such as offering unwanted advice, giving a rapid-fire series of suggestions, or fixing feelings. Codependents feel angry when their help isn't effective. Ellen passed away last year. Anticipate other people's needs. Wonder why others don't do the same for them. Find themselves saying yes when they really mean no, and doing things they don't really want to be doing more than their fair share of the work, and doing things other people are capable of doing for themselves. Codependents not know what they want and need, or if they do, they tell themselves what they want and need is not important. They try to please others instead of themselves. They find it easier to feel and express anger about injustice done to others rather than injustices done to themselves. They feel safest when giving. Oh my gosh. Feel insecure and guilty when somebody gives to them. Feel sad because they spend their whole lives giving to other people and nobody gives to them. Find themselves attracted to needy people. They find needy people attracted to them. Feel bored, empty, and worthless if they don't have a crisis in their lives, a problem to solve, or someone to help. Abandon a routine to respond to or to do something for somebody else. Overcommit themselves. Feel harried and pressured. Believe deep inside other people are somehow responsible for. Blame others for the spot the codependents are in. Say other people make the codependents feel. Believe other people are making them crazy. I'll be putting these words on so that the translator can translate it into other languages on my Facebook wall. Have a great night. 10/10/2025, 12:45 a.m.